Hello students, let us continue exercise 7.2 congruence of triangles. RHS congruence criterion. If under a correspondence the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle, then the triangles are congruent. This is rule known as RHS congruence criterion. Now, example 8. Given below the measurement of some parts of two triangles, examine whether the two triangles are congruent or not using RHS congruence rule. In case of congruent triangles, write the result in symbolic form. Now, first we draw a rough diagram. Triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, AC 8 centimeter and AB 3 centimeter. And second diagram, triangle PQR, angle P 90 degree, PR 3 centimeter, QR 8 centimeter. Now we see that in triangle ABC and triangle RPQ, both have angle B equal to angle P equal to 90 degree. Angle B 90, angle P 90. So, angle B equal to angle P equal to 90 degree given. Also, hypotenuse AC and RQ both have 8 centimeters. So, they are equal. Hypotenuse AC equal to hypotenuse RQ equal to 8 centimeter. Also side 3 AB 3 centimeter and side RP also 3 centimeter. So write as AB equal to RP equal to 3 centimeter. Now by applying right angle hypotenuse side, this means RHS congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent triangle RPQ by RHS congruence rule. Again repeat, A correspondence to R and B correspondence to P and C correspondence to Q. Line segment 3 centimeter and line segment 8 centimeter both meet at point R. Similarly, in triangle ABC, line segment 3 centimeter and line segment 8 centimeter both meet at point A. So, R correspondence to A correspondence to R and B 90 degree, P 90 degree. This means B correspondence to P and C correspondence to Q. So, we write triangle ABC congruent triangle RPQ by RHS congruence rule. Both triangles are congruent. Now, second part, draw a rough diagram. Triangle ABC, angle A 90 degree, AC 5 centimeter, BC 9 centimeter. And triangle PQR, angle Q 90 degree, PR 8 centimeter and PQ 5 centimeter. Now we see that angle A equal to angle Q equal to 90 degree. Both angles are 90 degrees, so they are equal. And hypotenuse CB is not equal to hypotenuse RP. Hypotenuse CB is not equal to hypotenuse RP. But AC equal to PQ. Both 5 centimeter. But we see that both triangles does not have same hypotenuse. So hypotenuse BC 9 centimeter and hypotenuse RP 8 centimeter are not equal. So given triangles have not equal hypotenuse. So RHS congruent rule does not hold in this question. So given triangles are not congruent. Given triangles are not congruent. Now again repeat. In triangle ABC and triangle RPQ, angle B equal to angle P equal to 90 degree given. Hypotenuse AC and hypotenuse RQ equal to 8 centimeter also given. Side AB equal to side RP equal to 3 centimeter given. Hence triangle ABC congruent triangle RPQ by RHS congruence rule. RHS congruence rule. Now second part. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A equal to angle Q 90 degree given. Side AC 5 centimeter, side PQ 5 centimeter also given. But hypotenuse BC 9 centimeter and hypotenuse RP 8 centimeter are not equal. This is also given. Hence given triangles are not congruent because RHS congruence rule does not apply in this question. Hence given triangles are not congruent. This is your complete solution of example 8. Now example 9. In figure 7.31, DA perpendicular AB and CB perpendicular AB and AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD given. DA perpendicular AB and CB perpendicular AB and AC equal to BD. State the pair of equal parts in triangle ABC and triangle DAB. Which of the following statement is meaningful? Which of the following statement is meaningful? First statement and second statement. Now, this is your beautiful diagram. Given DA perpendicular AB and CB perpendicular AB, also AC equal to BD. These are given. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, right angle ABC 90 degree equal to right angle BAD equal to 90 degree, both angles given because DA perpendicular AB and CB perpendicular AB. DA perpendicular AB, CB perpendicular AB. So angle ABC and angle BAD both are 90 degree given. Now hypotenuse AC equal to hypotenuse BD also given. Hypotenuse AC equal to hypotenuse BD also given. Angle side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. AC hypotenuse. Similarly, angle A is 90 degrees, so side opposite to angle A is hypotenuse. BD is hypotenuse. Similarly, AC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC equal to BD given. And both triangles have common side, name it AB. Side AB equal to AB, common side. Both figure have common side AB. AB equal to AB, common side. Now applying right hypotenuse side RHS rule, congruence rule, triangle ABC, congruent triangle BAD. A correspondence to B and B correspondence to A, C correspondence to D. So we write triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD by RHS congruence criterion. Hence statement first is true. First statement triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD. Triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD. This is your first statement. Hence first statement is true. Now do example 8 and 9 in your fair notebook. Thank you.